Have you ever wondered why your pumpkins putrefy, your jack-o'-lanterns begin to droop? It's because a small yet tenacious organism is chowing down on this fall fruit. Let's take a closer look at the fungus afflicting this poor pumpkin, shall we?
If I can actually get it open.
So, this is interesting. I assumed that since this thing was moldy on the outside, the inside would be a goopy mess, but instead it seems to have desiccated, almost been mummified. Now, you can contrast that with what a healthy pumpkin looks like. It was very hard to cut through this one. This one, it was like cutting through an acorn. And you can see the pulp. You could use this for pumpkin pie or a spice latte or whatever you people eat. Here, it's shriveled up, it's muted in color, and yeah, there's really not as much going on as I thought there would be.
Or so I thought. Zooming in, you can see everything's covered in a thick webbing, and there are these spores on each strand. This is the fungus, and like a carnivorous cotton candy, it's converted all of the thick, nutrient-rich pulp of the pumpkin into its own personal spore factory. And not just on the inside, but also on the outside of the pumpkin where you see these lesions forming. They start out as white spots, then they erupt like little shrubs of death, you could say. Quite a grisly end for the pumpkin on your porch. Happy Halloween.